Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to allocate more RAM to Google Chrome to improve its performance and speed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to locate the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop. This is typically the icon you use to launch Chrome every day. Once you've found it, go ahead and right-click on the shortcut. This will bring up a context menu with several options to choose from. From the menu that appears, click on Properties. This will open a new window that displays various settings and information about the Chrome shortcut. Understanding these properties gives you access to modify how Chrome launches and allocates system resources. Now, in the Properties window, look for the Target field. This field contains the file path that tells your computer where the Chrome executable is located and how it should run. You'll see a long string of text showing the directory path to Chrome's installation folder. Next, click at the end of the text in the Target field. Make sure your cursor is positioned right after the last character or quotation mark. This is where you'll add the command that tells Chrome to use more RAM when it starts up. After positioning your cursor, add a single space. This space is important because it separates the existing path from the new command you're about to enter. Without this space, the command won't work properly. Now, type --max -old -space -size equals 4096. I'll show this text on screen so you can copy it exactly. This command tells Chrome to allocate 4 GB of RAM to its processes, which can significantly improve performance if you have multiple tabs open or use memory-intensive web applications. If you want to allocate even more RAM to Chrome, you can change the 4096 value to 8192. This will allocate 8 GB of RAM instead. The number represents megabytes, so you can adjust it based on how much RAM your system has available and how much you want Chrome to use. Once you've entered the command with your desired RAM allocation, click Apply at the bottom of the Properties window. This saves your changes and ensures that Chrome will use the new RAM settings every time you launch it from this shortcut. You might need to wait a moment while the system applies these changes. And that's it! You've successfully allocated more RAM to Google Chrome, which should help it run faster and handle more tabs without slowing down. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.